Damn. All right, so as you guys can see, Peter is back. He's already started. I was inside making his new shirts, but so wow, what the heck?
Yeah.
Was it, huh?
To get to the transmission mount on the driver's side, you have to take whatever all this junk, airbox, battery tray, and just put it to the side. You have to move this wiring a little bit. It just clips here and here. Just move it to the side because the wrong bolt. The wrong bolt comes from this side. Oh. I don't know why they put it through this side and not through this side.
That side?
Yeah, so it goes through here. So this motor mount is still intact, but you know, for better measure, we might as well go ahead and change them.
Gotcha.
So that's the first one.
Oh, I'm gonna look under. This is crazy.
Yes.
I can't believe you only been out here for like 5 minutes. It's so fast.
Yeah, you gotta move. You gotta move with it.
That is quick. And then you got everything jacked up. Oh yeah, he said the wood. Oh, you don't even got it jacked up yet.
Huh?
You don't even got the motor jacked up?
So, oh yeah, that's the other thing. So for this motor mount to come off all the way, so you have to raise it up so you can remove the wrong bolt, the one I showed you. But for you to get these side bolts on this side, one and one on this side, for you to get those, you have to lower the motor again. So, and then you slide this thing out, and to put it back is the reverse. So this is what the air cleaner bolts onto.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So.
On top of that. That motor right there, I'm about to get a good picture. This is crazy. You use the OEM tool to open it?
OEM tool to open this.
There you go.
Motor mount. I think this is for the rear. This is for the back there.
Oh, okay.
This is for this side.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Brand new.
This one is for the front right here.
Oh, right in front.
And I'm hoping this is this.
Let me get these part numbers too.
Yeah. So this is the part number for the motor mount. I mean, this is the transmission mount. This is this that goes on the transmission mount.
Oh, okay.
On the driver's side.
On the driver's side?
Yeah. So this one came out of this, that's the part number there. It goes on the passenger side like this.
Oh, yeah. This main one that you can see right there?
Yes.
Right there?
Yes. And then this one goes on the rear, transmission, rear. I'll show you when I take it off.
Which box did that one come out of?
Oh, this one. Oh, no, sorry. This one, the rear one.
That's that one?
9400. That one. Yes.
Okay.
Then this one, 9449.
Okay.
Is this one. And then
this one.
What is it? This one is that.
9390. Okay.
9390. And then this one is 9391.
And which one is that? Oh, that's the front?
Yeah, that's
right in the front. Okay.
That's the radiator.
Okay. Yeah, they say those two are the main ones.
Yeah, these front and that one pretty bad. They're hydraulics. So once they go bad, there's nothing else you can do about it. Yeah, but I'm glad you were able to change all of them.
Right.
You know.
How much was it?
So the total was with commercial is like 261.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad. For all four.
For all four, yes. Commercial AutoZone.
AutoZone.
I know most people don't agree with AutoZone, but I've used their product. I'm not a sponsor, but I've used
AutoZone sponsor us.
yeah, come through. So anyway, I've used their products for so long, and I can't say nothing bad about them.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You know, suspension, brake pads. You know, you'd be surprised they probably all come from the same manufacturer, just different branding.
Really? Oh, that's the trick. And they charge more.
They charge more, yeah.
So would you do an Amazon job like this? Like, would you, if somebody gave you time, would you recommend Amazon? Because I know you did outside, but or would you say? Because I know, like for the mass airflow sensor, I think even the wheel bearing.
It depends. You know, Amazon has a variety of sellers. Let me put it this way. It has different people who sell different stuff. You just have to know what you're getting, right? Like the mass airflow sensor. If you're not getting Denso and it's engraved on top, it's Denso, then you're not getting a Denso. So you have to be careful what you're buying. You know. As far as motor mounts, suspension wise, I mean, some of the parts are quality.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's leave it at that before before somebody crucifies me.
No, not at all. Don't forget to check out Peter Tech, Peter TEC on his channel as well.
Yeah.
Peter, you gonna start recording?
Yeah, pretty soon.
Yeah, please, man. We need your videos, man.
Yeah,
we need your videos.
Yeah. So anyway, back on this motor mount, you're gonna need a variety of tools.
Oh, okay.
You know, you need this open-ended because on this side, this side, you're gonna need this open end 14 millimeter because of the tight space that you have in there. So that's bolts on the bottom. So bunch of these, you know, if it's a Japan car, you have 14, 12, 17s, what else? 19. You know, if it's Korean car, you have a mix of everything. So you kind of know what to expect, you know?
Yeah.
Noise.
Yeah, there we go.
Of course, torque everything to spec.
Yep.
Like I do.
Torque to spec.
So, of course, we never discuss about specs on most of these, because again, different specs, different books or different resources have different specs. So whichever floats your boat or whichever makes you feel safe.
I always feel safe.
Yeah, but yeah, of course, always. We aim the era of being safe.
Do you have to move any transmission lines or?
No.
Nothing
like that. Unless you want to give yourself a bigger job. You don't have to.
That's one thing about you, Peter. You know all the shortcuts. All the shortcuts.
Not necessarily shortcuts. It has to be done right, first of all. Don't get me wrong. It has to be done right. But at the same time, at what expense, you know?
Yeah.
You know, if I can go around it, why not? And of course, with a few years of experience, you know.
Yeah, just a couple.
Let me brag about experience. People always like that.
He's only been doing this 2 years. Like, that's a joke, guys. That's a joke.
Yeah.
We've been doing this a very long time.
Since I was a baby, since I started crawling. So anyway, I'm gonna go for the back one.
Okay.
I wish there was. You have the right. Oh, can you see?
Let me see.
Oh, you have that one. This is a transmission mount.
Okay.
So I have to remove. This is a 17, and then you have 2 on the bottom. This one has to come off, and then 2 on the bottom.
Okay.
Which are these ones. So these one and these.
Okay.
So this is the one that goes on the back, like that, and now 117 that goes through. So that's what I'm about to do.
Me too. I'm coming under there with you. Let's go to the bat cave. Got the stool.
Yeah. So you ready?
Yeah.
Right. So from the top here, it's much easier to get that 17 off. It's back here. We need need a shorter 17. This is interfering with the steering column there. So we have a short 17.
Want to stick the impact in there?
Huh?
With an extension?
Yeah, you can use a flex head and go on the side, but I have a short 17. You can see it fits right there.
Let me get out your way.
There you go. Ooh, it's tight. See.
Oh, you got it.
Got it. That is So guys, you notice that I didn't put this one together yet because it's much easier to do the back one with this one off. Yeah.
So you'll finish this back one, then you'll do this
Then
one,
I
then
do,
you go to the
yes.
front.
Yeah, and then I'll finish this one. Okay, so this one comes out like that. 17. See if I have enough space for noise.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
More noise.
Let's get it.
If you do have enough space, that is.
Oh, mind your way.
Like it. Nice rat. No. I'm going all the way. So back to 19. The machines are made has made me very spoiled, very lazy, because I want to zap up everything, get it done.
Right.
So this game is a game of getting it done, It's time saving, time, everything.
You might be able to get it from below,
No, there is a subframe.
huh?
Subframe
Okay.
goes across with the steering column. Have it off.
All right, she's got it super secure. You got the real jack stands.
Yeah.
Not no bull crap like the little ones I got.
So I'm gonna raise up the motor a little bit